Are you ready to embrace the smoothie revolution? Whether you're a berry-obsessed nutritionist or a weekend warrior trying to sneak in those greens, the right blender is your trusty sidekick in the quest for the perfect blend. But why settle for a glorified coffee grinder when you can have a multitasking marvel? Join us as we whip up a delightful list of the best blenders for smoothies that promise to take your blending game to the next level, because life is too short for chunky smoothies. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website, TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5. Ninja BL 610 Professional, our pick for best budget blender for smoothies. Are you on the hunt for a blender that won't drain your bank account but still delivers some serious blending power? Well, look no further than this Ninja model. With a robust 1,000 watts of blending might, it's ready to whip up a staggering 72 ounces of your favorite concoctions. Whether it's smoothie marathons with the family or crafting luxurious soup batches, this blender has your back and your taste buds covered. Let's talk about those heavenly smoothies with frozen berries and ice. Seriously, your mornings are about to get a delicious upgrade. Just a little pro tip: don't skimp on the liquid. That's your ticket to achieving that dreamy velvety texture you can't resist. Sure, you've got 3 speeds and a pulse option to let your kitchen creativity shine, but let's be real. It can sound like a small jet taking off. So if you rise with the sun or are a night owl, you might want to factor in your family's beauty sleep when it's blending time. Now, let's get to the best part. Using this Ninja is easier than pie. With its simple controls, you'll be whipping up delightful treats in no time. And when the fun is done, cleaning is as easy as pie too. So, if you're ready to channel your inner culinary genius without burning a hole in your wallet, this budget-friendly powerhouse is calling your name. Just be prepared for a little roar as you work your culinary magic. Number 4. Ninja BN 301 Nutriblender Plus, our pick for best compact blender for smoothies. Are you ready to level up your smoothie game without transforming your kitchen into a workout zone? Say hello to the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus, your compact companion in the quest for a healthier, hassle-free lifestyle. Perfect for those who know every inch of counter space counts, this little dynamo is about to become your best friend. Don't let its small size fool you. It packs a powerful 900 watts, turning fresh and frozen fruits into velvety smoothies in a jiffy. Those lumpy blends are a thing of the past. Just toss your favorite ingredients into one of the 3 ample 20-ounce cups, add a splash of liquid, secure the blade lid, flip it, and press down to unleash a whirlwind of healthy deliciousness. With 3 twist-on spout lids included, your smoothie can tag along on all your adventures. From navigating the morning rush to hitting the gym or simply enjoying a serene moment on your couch. Measuring just 4.7 by 4.7 by 13.8 inches, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is the perfect sidekick for your health journey. So embrace your inner health guru and let this compact powerhouse help you sip your way to a vibrant, smoother you. Cheers to a life blended to perfection. Still on the hunt for that ideal blender for smoothies? No worries, more gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3. Nutribullet Pro, our pick for best personal blender for smoothies. Are you ready to elevate your smoothie game like never before? Say hello to the Nutribullet Pro, your soon-to-be kitchen MVP. This isn't just any blender. This powerhouse boasts a jaw-dropping 900 watts, leaving the magic bullet and the original Nutribullet in the blender dust. No more annoying chunks interrupting your cozy sips. Smoothies will be as velvety as your favorite playlist. Convenience? Oh, you bet. With the Nutribullet Pro, you can blend right in the cup. Yep, just chop, blend, seal with one of those snug lids, and you're all set to conquer your day, or at least tackle that morning commute. Just a heads up, while it's not completely leak-proof, treat it with a little love, and you'll be sipping without the drama. Using this blender is as easy as deciding what to binge watch next. Just push and twist those ingredients into a smoothie masterpiece in under 60 seconds. Plus, with its generous 24-ounce capacity, you have plenty of room to whip up your ideal concoction, whether you're gearing up for a workout or need a tasty breakfast on the go. And let's not forget the bling. Choose from a vibrant array of colors that'll have your kitchen sparkling. So, are you ready to become the smoothie queen or king? The Nutribullet Pro is calling your name. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian E310, our pick for best splurge blender for smoothies. Are you ready to meet your new kitchen ally? Say hello to the Vitamix Explorian E310, the blender that's on a mission to make your smoothies so silky smooth they could strut their stuff on a catwalk. With a user-friendly interface and 10 glorious variable speeds, this little dynamo can handle everything from delicate strawberries to tough nuts. No more grainy concoctions, just perfection in every sip. Short on kitchen space? No worries. The E310's 48-ounce container hits the sweet spot between capacity and compact design, making it the ideal buddy that slides effortlessly under your cabinets. Think of it as the stealthy ninja of your kitchen, always ready to whip up magic without hogging the spotlight. And let's get real. Cleanup shouldn't be a chore that haunts your dreams. With a dishwasher-safe tamper and lid, you'll be just a few taps away from a sparkling clean blender. More time sipping your delicious creations? Count us in! Whether you're racing against the clock in the morning or gearing up for a post-workout refuel, the E310 adapts to your busy lifestyle. Toss in those greens, throw in your wildest flavor dreams, and elevate your kitchen game. With the Vitamix Explorian E310, you're not just blending, you're crafting smoothies that will make your taste buds sing. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. Vitamix 5200, our pick for best blender for smoothies overall. Are you ready to embark on a smoothie adventure that'll make your taste buds sing? Look no further than the Vitamix 5200, your new blender best friend forever. Sure, it might seem like overkill for that casual berry-banana mix you whip up after yoga, but when it comes to crafting creamy, dreamy concoctions, this blender doesn't mess around. With a robust 64-ounce jar, the Vitamix 5200 is a beast when it comes to blending even the most stubborn fruits and veggies. Don't let its size intimidate you. The smart, narrow jar design means whether you're fueling your morning alone or throwing a smoothie party for your friends, this powerhouse has got you covered. And let's be real, the construction is sturdy enough to survive your kitchen dance-offs. The intuitive speed dial and pulse switch make you feel like a blending maestro in no time. Just a tiny heads up, you'll have to keep an eye on it because it won't quit until you say so. One little hitch? You only get one jar, so if personal-sized smoothies are more your style, it might be worth grabbing an additional jar. But with the Vitamix 5200, you're not just blending, you're unleashing your inner smoothie guru. So go on, blend boldly and elevate your kitchen game. Your taste buds will thank you. And that's a wrap! If you had half as much fun watching our list of best blenders for smoothies as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.